So I got the question, how am I testing for the vehicle's discharging yesterday, and then today I also got the same question, like how are you making the vehicle run the house? So there's a few different ways. If you leave it in self-consumption mode, it will automatically pull from your EV if an EV is connected when the house batteries get to whatever state of charge you have as the reserve cutoff. So if you're trying to force it during the daytime, like right now when your solar is producing more than your house needs anyway, then the way I've been doing it is to set your reserve state of charge for your battery very, very high, like 90%. And then come over here, I shut off my solar so that solar is no longer feeding the whole house. And then I shut off my main so that it can't pull from the grid. And then right now I have the Rivian running the house again. So this is how I'm going to test when I have other vehicles come up here.